Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about two very big stocks that are going to have a lot of volatility, a lot of movement this coming trading week. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. We are going to be talking about Lucid Group and Centero Electric Group, two very big startup companies. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, if you can, give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. It'll help with that YouTube algorithm. In addition, if you are new to the channel, welcome, but hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you part of the community. Hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get my latest uploaded videos. In addition to this, I have the best promotions running on my channel right now. Down below, I do have a link to Moomoo, but if you deposit $100 into this and open an account, you will get that free Lucid stock. In addition to this, you will get up to 5 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Take advantage of this huge opportunity. In addition to this, I do have some cryptocurrency trading applications and platforms that can get you up to $25 free just for signing up to crypto.com or Coinbase. If you put in $100, you get $10 in Coinbase. So without further ado, I did want to talk about what is going to happen in the market, especially this week for Lucid Motors. We will start about Lucid Motors. As we know, that there is a lockup expiring on January 19th that will allow the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund to start selling shares. As you know, they do have a huge market share of Lucid Group. They own about 63% of the entire company. Will they be taking profits? Will they be selling some of their shares? If they do, this stock could have huge downward pressure, putting in a lot of buying opportunities and buying the dip. Now, on the reverse side, I have heard some news coming out there that we could have a huge short squeeze shooting up the stock. So it is going to be definitely a volatile week for Lucid Motors. It's going to be quite a ride, so we'll definitely have to monitor it and keep you updated. Now, in my own opinion, I do think that the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund will not likely sell any of their shares. If they do sell, I don't think it's going to be a huge amount. It's going to be a very small amount. Now, that being said, I do think that retail investors will have some fear because if history repeats itself, the last lockup that we had was on September 1st, 2021, when the PIF investors did sell off just in a matter of hours. The stock went down more than 20% in less than 3 hours. Could something like this happen again? Definitely, we could see this happen, but there's so many variables. There's so many things that could happen. But we have heard some brand new news that there are starting to be huge companies that are starting to buy up Lucid Motors stock. And I did just want to show you a very nice article I did just come across from Yahoo Finance. This is titled "The Louisiana State Employees Retirement System is Buying Airbnb and Lucid Group in addition to other stocks," but they are now adding this to their portfolio. So the Baton Rouge-based investment company, the Louisiana State Employees Retirement System, did buy Lucid Group in the past 3 months, and they have started to add a lot more shares into this. So we are now starting to see that there are starting to be investment companies that are starting to pick up Lucid shares. I definitely think that they are going to be keeping their eye on this date on January 19th as that lockup expiration will be expiring. If we do have that downward dip, I think it will be short-lived. I think it will be, if we do go down and dip in this stock, I think that it will be a huge bounce back up, but we'll definitely have to see. Now, in addition to this, I did mention in my past video that Lucid could potentially be working with Apple to get this vehicle, to get the Apple electric vehicle up and running. We have not heard either way. I did want to clarify from Lucid or Apple. But if this does happen, this is huge catalysts that could propel the stock in a matter of days 2 to 3 times its stock. And these are my opinions only. But again, these are just rumors, and I did just want to clarify that. We do know for sure that Lucid has high hopes into the future. This year will be a critical year for Lucid Motors to mass produce its vehicle. They will be making 20,000 vehicles of the Lucid Air just this year alone. They are also expanding their factories in the Arizona plant that could produce up to 50,000 electric vehicles per year. So this will be, again, the critical year for Lucid. If they can get that production up, I definitely think that they can, but they have a very, very nice vehicle. And I think that their branding will be known around the world. Give them 6 months and this company will start to expand and start to boom. We are starting to see that there is a lot of interest in the European market. We do know that Lucid will be expanding into Europe later this year, and there have been quite a bit of reservations already starting that people are having a big interest in European market. I definitely think that once the Saudi Arabian plant starts and it's being produced, this will be supplying the vehicles to European market and the Asian market. So another reason why I do not think that Saudi Arabia will be selling their public investment fund, because they have a huge stake into Lucid, and I definitely think that they're going to keep this long term. That being said, I did want to just transition and show you how this stock is doing. Just in the past one day, on Friday, we went up on the stock 1.9%. We did start at $40.99. The highest that we went is $43. But in the past 5 days, we are seeing that we are starting to have some consolidation. I do think that we have broken that $40 base mark. In the past 5 days, we are seeing a stabilization at about $40, $41. We have tested a resistance just in the past week, just briefly touching $47. But if we go back 1 month, just in past 1 month, we are seeing that back then the stabilization was $36. If we do have a huge sell-off with this public investment fund on January 19th, in my opinion, I do think that we will go and test below $38. But if we do this, I don't think that we will stay there for a long time. But again, these are my opinions only. If you are trying to dollar cost average down or get into this stock, if you can get it under $40, this is a great deal in this stock. If you can get it under $38, it's a steal of a deal if you can hold this stock long term. So this week will be critical for Lucid to see how it trades, and it will be quite volatile with that expiration date. We'll have to keep our eyes on it, and I will be reporting this every day. So now I did want to transition and talk to you about another EV startup company that just became on the market. You might know this company as a different company. They just transitioned actually their business model and their business mission. But the former company, the NAKD brand group, that was most commonly known as selling lingerie, swimsuits, and clothing items, is now transferring and transitioning its business model to make electric vehicles. So formerly, the ticker of this company, the NAKD brand, was NAKD. It is now transitioned and has a new ticker. It did just start trading on the stock market on January 14th, on Friday, as CENN. And this company is now known and partnered up with and merged with a Hong Kong-based company called Centro Enterprise Limited. They do make electric vehicles, and they are going to be now selling electric vehicles for this NAKD brand company. So NAKD brand did change its name, but this is going to be a very interesting startup company. It's a fairly small company. It has a market capitalization, I believe I'm reading here on my notes, about $700 to $800 million company. Very, very small cap company. But we did see that we had a huge short squeeze. This stock went up all the way more than 21% just in that announcement. And let me just show you how this stock did. Just in one day, we were up 21.8%. Again, this is the CENN is the ticker of this company. It was formerly called NAKD Group. But again, this stock went from $2.75 all the way up to $3.18. And let me just show you when this happened. This is when, again, on January 14th, when that ticker did change from the NAKD brand group to CENN, this stock went up by an enormous amount. As you can see, this stock is, for the last 5 days, is down almost 17%. In the past 1 month, down almost 56%. The last 6 months, again, down almost 60%, going actually as high as $12.50, going as low as that I mentioned that the $2.75. That is almost 80% downside on this. But this company is now rebranding itself. It is now looking to produce electric vehicles. I do believe that they have about 5 vehicles that they're going to be putting out on the market. They're mostly commercial type vehicles. So again, this is a very small startup company. It definitely will have some growth ahead of itself. Is this a worth investment? Looking into, I think the company is still quite small, but right now it is a meme stock. Especially you did see that big news, that big hype that just changed that 21% upside just by changing its ticker symbol. So definitely something to watch into and to look at. But this could be quite volatile. It's definitely going to be a volatile stock, and we'll definitely have to see how many vehicles they produce. It is now just starting off, but we'll definitely have to keep you updated. I did just want to put this on your radar, and I hope you learned something new in this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button, give me that big thumbs up button, keep me alive on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get my latest uploaded videos. In addition to this, please take advantage of those awesome promotions I do have below. Remember, with Moomoo right now, you can get a free Lucid stock. Put in $100 into this account using my link to Moomoo. Will get you a free Lucid stock. In addition to this, you will get up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. If you open an account with Crypto.com using my reference code down below, that will guarantee you $25 free in cryptocurrency. Also, Coinbase. If you put in $100 into this to open an account, you will get $10 in Bitcoin. In addition to this, Coinbase is also offering up to $25 to do on your own some lessons that you can gain more cryptocurrency as well. So take advantage of these, as these are huge, nice promotions. But I hope you like this video, but thank you so much for watching, but have a great weekend. It's going to be a short trading week this week, but have a wonderful week, have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.